Hi everyone, welcome to our training on the differences between peer support and professional support. My name is Taya and I am the Director of Patient Services for CLF Canada. So what is peer support? Peer support is a supportive relationship between people with a common shared experience and provides social emotional support. And peer support involves building on that shared experience to understand a peer situation empathetically, and is particularly important during times of stress, trauma, or uncertainty. There are limitations to peer support, and peer support is a complement rather than a replacement for medical or mental health care. And if your partner needs any out-of-scope support, please send a message to CLF so we can provide them with some resources or help reestablish the boundaries. So what is within scope? So sharing treatment experiences and personal stories, listening to concerns empathetically and without judgment, strategizing, bonding, and finding additional resources together. Out of scope, providing professional medical opinions, diagnoses, or treatment, providing professional legal or financial advice, providing financial support. So some relevant out-of-scope topic examples include medication, diagnoses, legal challenges, financial concerns, specific treatment options, and alternative treatment options. And so how we want peer support volunteers to handle these situations is to first let partners know that they are welcome to talk about these subjects, but stress that we do not give advice and cannot speak from an expert position. Even if you are an expert in one of these areas, this is not the role of a peer support volunteer. And please only talk about your personal experiences as a caregiver or a patient, and never advise your partners to pursue a particular pathway, and always advise your partners to seek professional support. What is professional support? So professional support is delivered by trained and licensed professionals with specific qualifications and credentials, such as physicians, psychologists, psychiatrists, counselors, social workers, etc. Some of the key differences between peer support and professional support include the fact that peer support focuses on the lived experience, comes from lived experience, and offers support based on their own journey, whereas professional support is from a trained and licensed professional with qualifications and credentials. Peer support requires no formal education or training. Professional support requires rigorous education and training to acquire the knowledge and skills to diagnose, treat, and provide therapeutic interventions. Peer support is a system of giving and receiving support that is founded on the principles of respect, shared responsibility, and mutual agreement on what is helpful. Professional support is designed to diagnose, treat, and provide evidence-based interventions. Peer support focuses on the similarities, whereas professional support tends to focus more on the uniqueness of a person's experience. Peer supporters can truly say, I know and I understand. And professional support helps people understand what they're going through and what it means for them. They ask why and aim to address underlying causes, symptoms, and issues. There are several similarities between the two. So both rely on good communication and listening skills. They listen carefully and respectfully to the story and try to get to know the person and their experience. They're aware of their own values and beliefs, and both commit to being non-judgmental and require a trusting relationship and ensure that confidentiality is maintained, and focus on strengthening and continuing the bond, and commit to supporting people as they find their own ways of coping and navigating a situation. There are countless benefits to peer support. Here is a short list of some of the benefits. Peer support provides hope, real understanding, and empathy. Connecting with someone who has lived through a similar situation or still doing so can be vital for someone struggling. It provides hope that it is possible to overcome and demonstrates the possibility of recovery. Normalizes experiences and provides a sense of belonging. and leads to a sense of security, safety, and acceptance. The information, education, shared strategies, empowerment, and hope from someone who has been in their shoes can help people navigate their situation, treatments, and other hurdles they may face. Peer support can be an effective prevention strategy, moderate life-changing effects, and provide empowerment. And here are some of the references. As always, if you guys have any questions or you're not sure about anything, you can reach out to the CLF team. Thanks.